Hi, this is John over at Surprise Ford, just showing you this 2026 Mustang Dark Horse. Notice it's got the supercharged engine in it. It's got the normal V8 Coyote engine in it, but it's also got the supercharged. Notice that front end grille is really nice as well. Coming around here to the passenger side, see it's a very stylish car. Take a look at those rims, beautiful rims. There's that Dark Horse branding. As you can see, we've got this here in the showroom. It's looking really good. Quick peek inside. You can see this is in excellent condition, brand new. We haven't even taken the plastic out. Look over there at that big screen. It's a fantastic vehicle, just gorgeous. So, anyways, there's the top of the hood. Wanted to show you that. Coming around, let's go around to the back, show you that dual exhaust on there. Actually, a quad exhaust. You've got the back end spoiler, which is nice. Coming over here to the driver's side, take a look there. You can see, I'll give you another close-up of these rims. And up here at the front. Alright, so this is a beautiful car. I'd love to show it to you. Come on out to Surprise Ford, ask for John, and I'll hook you up, take good care of you, get you the best deal possible. Thanks so much and have a great day.